another one.
What?
She's looking right at you. Take it.
Leopard.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, holding a picture.
Whoa, look at that. There's a leopard having it.
Ooh, what do we have here? Look.
That's a big kitty cat. Come here, you want to see the jaguar?
Wow!
Did you expect it to hold you up there? It's a leopard. Well, you have to get out of the stroller to
Whoa,
see.
look at you.
Hop out.
Wow!
Right over here.
Max and Funky, huh?
I got
Look right over there.